Here's a 2017 Chevrolet SS. What looks like a luxury sedan is actually a high-performing sports car that'll take you anywhere fast. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend finds the car's agility a strong point since its brakes and chassis allow it to transition smoothly in turns, corner in a neutral manner, and remain controllable. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Find it at Firkins. Come see us today. We're located between the Red Barn Flea Market and the DeSoto Mall on 1st Street.